3D printing, revolutionizing manufacturing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a technology that has been steadily gaining traction in recent years. It has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by enabling the creation of complex, customized, and high-precision parts that were previously impossible or cost-prohibitive to produce. In this article, we will explore the technology behind 3D printing, its various applications, and the impact it is having on the manufacturing industry. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by building up layers of material, one on top of the other. The process involves creating a 3D model of the object using computer-aided design, CAD, software and then sending it to a 3D printer. The printer then creates the object by depositing material layer by layer, using a variety of technologies such as fused deposition modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, or selective laser sintering, SLS. The material used in 3D printing can vary widely depending on the application. Plastics, metals, ceramics, and even living cells can be used as raw materials for 3D printing. This flexibility in material choice is one of the biggest advantages of 3D printing, as it allows for the creation of parts with unique properties such as high strength, heat resistance, or biocompatibility. Applications of 3D printing. 3D printing has a wide range of applications across various industries, including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and consumer goods. Here are a few examples. Aerospace, 3D printing is being used to create lightweight and high-strength parts for aircraft, reducing weight and increasing fuel efficiency. NASA has even used 3D printing to create rocket engine parts. Healthcare, 3D printing is being used to create custom prosthetics, dental implants, and surgical instruments. It is also being used to create living tissue and organs, potentially revolutionizing the field of regenerative medicine. Automotive, 3D printing is being used to create parts for cars and trucks, allowing for faster prototyping and customization. It is also being used to create lightweight parts that can improve fuel efficiency. Consumer goods, 3D printing is being used to create personalized products such as jewelry, phone cases, and toys. It is also being used to create replacement parts for household appliances. Impact on manufacturing industry. 3D printing has the potential to completely transform the manufacturing industry. Here are a few ways it is already making an impact. Reduced costs. 3D printing can reduce the cost of producing complex parts by eliminating the need for expensive tooling and molds. This can significantly reduce the cost of prototyping and small-scale production runs. Increased customization. 3D printing allows for the creation of highly customized parts with unique geometries and properties. This enables manufacturers to tailor products to specific customer needs, creating a competitive advantage. Faster prototyping. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping of parts, reducing the time and cost required to bring new products to market. Sustainable manufacturing. 3D printing can reduce waste by only using the exact amount of material needed to create a part. It also allows for the creation of parts with optimized geometries, reducing the amount of material needed overall. Conclusion. "3D printing is a technology that has the potential to completely transform the manufacturing industry. Its flexibility in material choice, ability to create complex geometries, and potential for customization make it an attractive option for a wide range of applications. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and further disruption in the manufacturing industry.